Welcome to the third video for this on-demand mini-series for Microsoft Defender for Business. So lastly, this video will demonstrate a few of the Defender for Business features and settings that you can edit within the Defender portal. As an IT admin, you can access Defender for Business capabilities from your Microsoft 365 Defender portal. To begin the setup and configuration process, select the device inventory. Then get started. Defender for Business features a simplified configuration process that takes the guesswork out of the onboarding and managing devices. However, there are other methods you can choose from, and there are specific guidance on each method. In this case, we will use the simplified process. So we click on Endpoint Manager. This will get you up and running quickly with default policies and recommended settings. So once you submit, your configuration process is complete. It's as easy as that. Now we can take a look at what policies has been configured. There are two main default policies to protect the organization's devices: Next Generation Protection and Firewall policies. If we click the Next Generation Protection, it shows how antivirus and threat protection features are configured, and you have the option to edit to meet your business needs. Once you click Edit, the first page will show you a description of the policy. The second page, you can specify which device group you want the policy applied to. And then the third page, you can review the default settings and make necessary changes if needed. For firewall settings, you can specify whether to allow or block connections on devices in various locations. So for example, your firewall settings can allow inbound connections to your company's internal network, but prevent those connections when the device is on a network with untrusted devices. Here you can modify the general settings that were defined as part of the onboarding process. In addition, many advanced features are enabled by default as well. Under the Settings tab, there is also a web content filtering, which enables the organization to track and regulate access to websites based on their content categories. To add a policy, select Add Item and name the policy. This is where you can select to block certain categories such as adult content and legal liability. When the policy is saved, users will see a blocked notification if an element on the page they are viewing is marked as a blocked resource. Another area in the Defender for Business is the Threat and Vulnerability Management dashboard, which is designed to save your security team time and effort. Here you can discover vulnerabilities and misconfigurations in real time. In addition to an exposure score, you can also view information about exposed devices, top security recommendations, and any remediation actions taken. Now, this is just a brief overview of the capabilities of Defender for Business and Endpoint Solution. So if you are interested in learning more, then please don't hesitate to reach out to us.